The automotive sector holds immense significance in Germany's economy, historically fueling technological innovations and generating employment. Its current decline signals potential shifts in the broader European economic framework. Recent forecasts indicate a stagnation in Germany's economy, raising alarms about a possible larger economic crisis. This stagnation carries profound implications for Europe and the global market at large. The German government's tendency to shift blame regarding economic challenges may erode public confidence. This approach diverts attention away from accountability and stifles constructive discussions about necessary reforms. Expert analyses have pointed out the negative impacts of certain government policies on economic growth. Overlooking these insights complicates the implementation of effective remedial strategies. The ideological divide in Germany plays a significant role in shaping policymaking and economic strategies. Both left and right policies offer distinct benefits and challenges, with implications for future growth and stability. Germany's automotive industry has long served as a cornerstone of its economy. Breakthroughs in this sector have significantly contributed to the nation's exports and technological progress. The introduction of innovative features, such as anti-lock braking systems and fuel-efficient engines, distinguish German cars in the market. However, traditional strengths are now becoming liabilities in the face of evolving demands. The transition towards electric vehicles, propelled by stringent EU emissions regulations, compels German manufacturers to reassess their strategies for remaining competitive. This shift presents both challenges and opportunities for revitalization. Despite this transition, entrenched manufacturing practices and corporate hesitance hinder the agility of German automakers in adapting to shifting market demands, particularly when compared to agile competitors like Tesla. Innovation strategies must evolve rapidly. The move towards electric vehicles introduces both potential opportunities and risks for Germany's automotive sector, significantly impacting dealerships and supply chains. Adaptation emerges as a critical factor for survival. Internal challenges, such as corporate hubris and rigid structures, have stifled innovation within the German automotive industry. These shortcomings have resulted in strategic missteps and a diminished competitive edge. The ongoing global semiconductor shortage has exposed the vulnerability of German automotive supply chains, leading to production delays and financial setbacks. Developing flexible strategies is essential for navigating these disruptions. Investing in local vehicle production and renewable technologies can alleviate dependency on traditional automakers and promote economic diversification and stability. This approach is crucial in the context of shifting market dynamics. Germany's welfare system, currently under scrutiny due to economic stagnation, faces sustainability challenges that could undermine economic incentives and labor market participation. Striking a balance between welfare provision and economic necessities is essential. Economic instability and societal transformations have fostered discouragement among German workers, adversely affecting productivity and overall growth. Understanding these factors is vital for addressing socioeconomic challenges and enhancing morale. Cultural shifts in Germany have redefined the notions of work-life balance and fulfillment, shaping the expectations of younger generations and contributing to evolving workforce dynamics. This shift underscores the importance of a holistic approach to productivity. Germany's national policies play an integral role in shaping its economic landscape and international reputation. Effective governance requires a delicate balance between fiscal responsibility and investment in growth. Environmental sustainability remains a crucial aspect of Germany's international standing, reflecting its commitment to green technology and responsible practices that significantly influence global perceptions and leadership. Germany's ability to adapt to global economic trends is paramount for its international competitiveness. Embracing digitalization and fostering innovation will strengthen its economic stance on the world stage. Striking a balance between national interests and global cooperation is vital for Germany's economic growth. Implementing effective foreign trade policies can bolster its international relations and market access. Political stability and effective leadership are essential for cohesive policymaking in Germany. Engaging diverse perspectives and promoting inclusive governance can help rebuild trust and foster economic recovery.